What's up, y'all? It's your girl Leek with all things Leek the Nail Geek. Today we're doing a haul. I did a SHEIN, or some people say SHEIN, haul. Decided to get some of the items on there. Saw it, thought some were cute, but I am a petite, short lady, and my size runs between 12 and 14. So we shall see how these work, okay? Let's get started. Unboxing. Because it came today. And no, I'm not using scissors. Not at all. So, let's see what we got. Make sure everything's in here. I'm gonna grab my phone as well because I want to make sure I did receive all the items. That's important. So I like how they got little packages. It's all zipped in. Oh, I got this shirt. Guys, it's supposed to fit here. We shall see. This is a large. I did get this in a large. It's looking pretty small. This one, the next one, the material. Oh, feels good. Oh yes. And I like how it has the ties, but you guys will see that I'll tie that. I'm really feeling this one. This one is really cute. The material is really nice. See what's this? Oh, I love this. So this one, see, I love that. And this one also has the tie in the back, so you'll see that as well when I try it on. I get things organized. What's next? You guys, ordered this shirt in a bunch of colors, and I am seeing that super short. Just wanted to let you guys know it's super short. Don't know what the original voice was. Sorry. Definitely short. But I love that color. Ooh. I think I remember this one. This was the other strappy one. Oh, but it's a different material. I like that. Oh. Paper. Oh, there's two. One, two. This one has the double straps plus the tie thing that goes in the back because it's a deep hole. What can I say? I'm a sucker for strappy shirts. Oh, love. This one's cute. And in the back, and it's a tie as well. And I did order some jeans in 2 different sizes because all of my tops that I ordered were larges. I wanted to try the jeans to see if they would be stretchy. So these are the wide leg ones. So I think this is another. So I really like this style, right? Not knowing that this shirt would be this small. So we shall see how that goes. Lord. See, I also ordered the same shirt in black. Don't judge me. And this is my last shirt. Ooh. You guys, this material is everything. I love this. Oh yeah, this is the deep V. So see how that fits. Again, all of his shirts I ordered in a large, so we shall see how that goes. And then the last item. Were these jeans. Now, I got these in a large because of the measurements that they claim to be accurate. So we shall see how they fit. They don't really have much stretch, but they are distressed, as you guys can see, and they're flared. So I'm really happy that the ending is flared. Looks like it wouldn't be a big issue for me to cut them because again I'm short. So we shall see. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna try these items on and I'm gonna rate them 1 through 10. I give these jeans a 9. They are needing to be hemmed. The next pair of jeans I'm gonna have to give a 4. I couldn't even get them over my thighs, so they are a no. This shirt was too short in length, so I had to give it a 4. I didn't like the material of this shirt, so I give it a 4 as well. The next 3 shirts, I give them a 10 out of 10. Freaking love them. They are soft. The material is great, durable, and gotta love the back tie. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, and until the next time, bye.